Instrumentation on the market often do not fulfill the requirement by the research infrastructures and therefore have to be modified, for instance, to operate them in harsh field environments. Our idea was to set up a collaboration model that specifies all processes required to develop a product that perfectly covers the community needs, for instance being lightweight or providing exactly the data needed. Together with the industry, we developed a compact and user-friendly data acquisition and control electronics for medium-sized instruments that, for instance, measure trace gases in ambient air. We encourage the ENVRI community to consider our collaboration model called TechBoost to optimize the development of new instrumentation. The industry partner gets a better product and enhances its competitiveness, and the scientists get a system that complies with the needs from the very beginning.